This, I already popped the bolts out. You need to see, it's a bolt right here, it's a bolt right there, and this pops out easy. Now note that first bolt that I pointed to, that's also where the oil line is bolted down at. So it does get a little bit tricky pulling out the starter just because the oil line is kind of in the way. But you find a way to maneuver around it, it should be easy. I don't know, it don't seem bad. It seems horrible. And that's pretty much it right there. That's how you change the starter on the Kawasaki Bayou 220. Just make sure you put the oil line back when you bolt it back down. Don't bolt it back down without that oil line right there. If this video helped you and you want to see some more like it, go follow my page, Swipe Bike 813. I'm gone.